everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and today I got my husband out and took him to the store, a little running around. He hasn't been able to drive yet, and so I did let him drive home, and that was okay. But anyway, after his eye surgery, so it's been a bit, he hasn't gotten out much. Anyways, I'm trying to find where my glasses aren't reflecting the light so bad. Anyway, when we went out, we went to a little antique mall, flea market type thing that's indoor where all the little booths are. So I took some video. I just want to wish Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Okay, you're not going to believe this, but I think a bug got down in my shirt. Whatever. Anyway, all the mothers out there, Happy Mother's Day. Hope you have a wonderful day and get to do some things that you want to do or spend some time with family. For everyone else, have a happy Sunday, and I will talk to you soon. Hondo wanted to say hi, so hi, Hondos. Oh my goodness, such a big boy. Can you stop? Can you sit? Hondo, sit. Hey, sit. Oh, such a good boy. Oh, you're gonna take a nap? Your tummy full? Anyway, you wanted to say hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Hey guys, I'm here at one of the antique malls, and they have tons of these old books. Look at all the ones they have. Does anybody think that's scary?